Do you love reading? I don't know about you, but I absolutely love reading. I love books. At any given time, I'm probably reading at least 5 or so books at the same time. And the one thing I really wish was that I could, read a lot faster and remember a lot more. So the good news is that Ken Coscia, the International Training Director of the Silva Method and lead instructor, is actually going to be doing a course for us here in Australia called Speed Learning. And Ken has actually trained this course around the world in over 27 countries. I think he's trained thousands of people on it. And it's really about creating the alpha level of mind before you go into reading a particular book. And not only do you increase your speed, and it's measurable, but you also retain a lot more. So in other words, you can study and retain more information with less time in reading. And the wonderful news about this course is that it has results that are immediate and measurable. So before doing the course, you'll actually test your own reading speed and retention, and post the course, you will do that again, and you'll see marked and immediate results. I think this is a fantastic opportunity. It's probably once in a lifetime. Ken's going to be doing it via Zoom. He's in the United States, in Connecticut, and it's going to be on Saturday and Sunday, 2 half days, on the 29th and 30th of May. So if you're interested in doing the speed learning course, then one, you can watch Ken's video. He's done a video to talk to all of us on what exactly the course is about. And secondly, do join us. The benefits last a lifetime. And if you're like me who loves to read, wouldn't you love to read a lot more books and remember much more in them every time you pick one up? Well, I certainly do. Okay, my friends, have a wonderful day and God bless.